Hello everyone, this is my review of this portable folding dog crate. It has two hand straps and a shoulder strap so you can carry it easily. It folds down flat for easy storage and carrying, but putting it together it just unfolds easily. The bottom you push that down first and lock those rods in place. Then there's two rods to the top that you lock in place with a spring-loaded catch that goes over the rod to keep it secure. And that's pretty much about it. And to unfold it, just do everything in reverse order and it folds back down nice and neat. It also comes with a nice bed cushion that you don't need to take out because it folds right with the bed. It has three sides that zip open for doors, and the top of it zip opens as well. You can also roll up the doors and keep them up with attached Velcro. Overall, I think this is a really good dog crate, especially for traveling, and I hope this review helps.